In disaster zones, internet and cellular networks collapse. When rescue teams go in, they go in blind. Seconds matter. MeshRescue is an entirely offline triage intelligence system powered by Google's Gemma 4, running locally on edge hardware. Field operators capture scenes using a phone or drone. Gemma 4 analyzes the visual scene and audio signals entirely on device. The model sees, hears, reasons, and produces a structured triage report locally without sending sensitive data to the cloud. When critical trauma is detected, Gemma's native function calling autonomously dispatches a rescue team. A lightweight text alert is instantly sent miles away over long-range, low-power wireless radio mesh to the command center. Because the long range is optimized for lightweight messages, the rescue team gets the critical alert first, even with no internet. When the drone returns to base camp Wi-Fi, the heavier image and audio evidence syncs into the same command dashboard card. MeshRescue is hardware agnostic. A phone, drone, or paramedic backpack can become an offline triage node. Zero cloud, zero signal dependency, just Gemma 4, helping rescue teams make faster decisions